Hi guys, kumusta kayong lahat? Today is Christmas Eve. So, hello sa mga family ko and friends in Philippines. Merry Christmas. It's around 9 o'clock right now. So, may mga lulutuin ako ngayon. And magbe-bake din kami ng mga cookies. Before that, magkakape muna tayo. Kape tayo. So, ayan guys, meron na tayong lumpia wrapper dyan. Tapos itong mushroom, ihahalo ko to sa lumpia. At saka itong carrots.
And I strolling far from home and horizon looking like a sunset dream. And I talking, water crashing, evening feeling like a postcard scene. 'Cause it's just us two, dancing with the moon, my arms wrapped around you. Moon is lighting, sea of diamonds, I can tell the difference to your eyes. Morning's coming, we're not rushing, lie with you until the end of time. When it's just us two, dancing with the moon, my arms wrapped around you.
So, yung bagong recipe ng lumpia is the same na amount ng pork is yung mushroom, napa-cabbage at saka yung regular na cabbage. Wala si Mr. at saka si Hana. Magsasaglit ako dito sa sasakyan kasi nandito yung aking gift sa kanya. Hindi ko pa nararap. Meron pa tayong mga irarap dyan. So, ito kay Mr. Tsaka ito. Dadalhin ko to sa loob. Ito mga irarap ko to mamayang gabi.
Sliding, sea of diamonds, I can tell the difference to your eyes. Morning's coming, we're not rushing, lie with you until the end of time. When it's just us two, dancing with the moon, my arms wrapped around.
Yung ating fritada, malapit na maluto.
Can I just stuff it with like lumpia meat? Like this, and then make it a pancake?
So yan guys, last cookie na yan. And guys, almost done. Yung niluluto ko na lang yung aming ham at saka cheese lumpia. So yan, tapos na tayo guys. Ito na yung ating food. And guys, kain tayo. Nanonood kami ng Home Alone Part 2. Hi guys! So it's almost 7 o'clock and Hannah and I, we are going to make a cookie for Santa. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Earlier I made 3 different cookies and I have this oatmeal and raisin. And then I have the peanut butter, which is Santa's favorite. And then we have here the eggnog cookie. There you go. First, we're gonna make the oatmeal and raisin cookie. Smells pretty good.
It smells like there's no berries in there. So like, it smells like it has chocolate.
Yeah.
Fly away with me, take you high, soaring, see you smile, it's my only dream.
Staring out into the sea, waves come crashing up to me. My toes slip.
So yan guys, ready na yung cookie. I-bake ko na siya mga 18 minutes. So next is the eggnog cookie.
out into the sea.
With me,
Waves come crashing up to me.
soaring,
My toes slip
see you
into
smile,
the sand.
smile,
Dream that I'm with you. Staring out into the sea.
with me.
Waves come crashing.
So, dalawang batch yung isang cookie namin. Madali lang siyang gawin at saka dapat bantayan mo lang din yung oras kasi pag binake mo siya too much, ano siyang magiging dry siya at saka ano yun, yung crunchy. Yung masarap kasi na cookie is yung medyo chewy siya. So, yan na yung ating oatmeal and raisin cookie. Yan guys, very, ano siya, chewy. So, yan. Tignan natin yung ilalim. Tignan mo, oh. Ito yung peanut butter cookies. Binilog lang namin siya ng paganyan. Tapos, so, lalagyan natin siya nitong mark ng tinidor. Yan. So, bali parang pa-cross lang. So, yan. Kapag may nakita kayo sa grocery na may ganitong design na cookie, ano po yan? Peanut butter. Yan guys, last batch na yung nasa oven natin. So, si Hana nanonood. What you watching?
I'm watching
Oh,
the bridge.
bridge.
What is wrong with you? Didn't you see me? I mean, if that was a sled, I'd be dead.
I'm sorry for bumping into you, but this is really important. Have you seen my letter?
That right there matches the true nature of the Who child. Just right to me. My letter.
Hi guys. Today we make cookies for Santa. I don't know how to do it.
Very good job. And then the carrots too. Tapos na yung ating mga cookie. So, ito yung ating peanut butter. Ito yung ating eggnog. And this the oatmeal and raisin. This one is really good. So, yan guys. Marami pong salamat sa panunood. At Merry Christmas po sa inyong lahat. Ayan. We'll see you guys tomorrow. Tomorrow is Christmas Day. So, abangan nyo po yung ating video. Ayan. Good night. Bye.